Okay, now this is going to be interesting. I have to get this in the fit. Oh, I'm crazy. But isn't this perfect for an RV? Since the RV has no countertop, I'll put wheels on this and use it as an island. So I think that'll be perfect. Getting it into the fit may not be so perfect. Yikes. I'll see what I can do. There you go, I did it. I figured out how to fold down the front seats. And close this now. And got it in the back. Yes! This could have been a problem. Don't buy big things when you're borrowing somebody's little Honda Fit. And I'm only using this because I'm dog sitting, and we thought it would be better if I drove their good car, a decent car every day instead of my old car, and take the risk of my old car breaking down. So there you go. Let me see if this will close. Yep, everything's cool. Okay, awesome. Awesome sauce. I might be a little crazy. Well, check it out. I got another package. Let's open it. This one, actually, I ordered myself. So let's see which product it is. Okay, this came from Wayfair. So I'm pretty sure it is, oh my gosh, it is the pot. It's the teapot. Look at that, how cute, how cute. I hope it's the right color. Let's throw that box on the floor. Let's open this baby here. Sorry, I am using, well, it's gonna have to be upside down. I'm using my cell phone because my camera is in my RV. And I just got into the office and the UPS guy showed up. Oh, it is the color I ordered. So cute, so cute, so cute. So I saw this online the other day and I thought, wow, that's really cool. It is a cast iron teapot. And I think it'll look so neat in the Twinkie. And you take the lid off and it actually has a tea strainer if you want to use tea leaves. And I figured cast iron pot would keep my water warm longer, so I could have a couple of cups of tea. And I'll use the tea that Carol gave me the other day. So that's awesome. Isn't that pretty? I really like it. So I ordered this from Wayfair. And I also ordered a burner, a warmer rather, cast iron warmer that you set underneath and use a tea light underneath, one of those tea light candles, to keep it warm once it's warmed up. Oh, that is so cute. I really, really, really like it. Okay, I received my little pot one day early, and I received another package one day early. Awesome. Let's open it. Okay, here we go. Oh, neat. I got little tea samples. That'd be interesting. That sounds good. Okay, so my little teapot came from Wayfair, and this item came from Stash to go with the teapot. And it's a box in a box. This is really awkward doing it with the phone, but I don't happen to carry my camera on me, especially when I'm at work. So, wow, this is so freaking cool. Okay, come on out, don't be shy. I don't want to come out, I don't want to come out. No, don't make me. I'm gonna make you. Maybe I won't make you come out. Okay. Teapot. Be my tripod. Dang. Okay. It doesn't want to come out. There we go. Got it. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so cute. Look. I'll spread the teapot. Can you see it? Isn't that adorable? So you put a little candle, a little tea light candle in there, and you put this over it, and then you put the teapot on top after the water's been warmed up to keep it warm. Oh, that is adorable. I just love it. Oh, that is so adorable. Awesome. It's fun to treat yourself sometimes. We just got to do that, you know? We just do. Of course, I've treated myself a lot lately to goodies for the Twinkie. And most of them were Craigslist items and resale shop items. Few new items, and this is one of the new ones. Oh, I'm so stoked. Oh, I hope I get a chance to work on the Twinkie. So here's the comforter. Oops, too much sunlight on it. So I think that'll be cute. It's going to be more like a summertime comforter. And my bed's going to be a twin-size bed. My bed is a twin-size bed because it's a chair, sofa bed thing. So I thought that was really nice. They had one opened and I picked it up and it felt really lightweight and felt really nice. So I thought for summertime use, this would be nice. And I bought another one somewhere else, but not for this price. This was a great price. The other one was a good price too, but wow. So, and I don't care about, you know, the most expensive, the most high quality product. It's just a comforter. So the teapot, and here are my paints. So my plan is the greens, which don't exactly match, but I found out I can take them back to the store and have them match them, will be for my cabinet doors. And this pink peach color, showing later on the phone what it is. I'm going to have that lightened up to a real pale pink, a really pale pink, and paint my cabinets with it. So the green will be on the cabinet doors, and this will be on the cabinets. And this for the living room, I bought a gray paint, and shows up white there, but actually it's kind of a darkish eggshell color. You know, this phone's not catching the colors correctly. But yeah, those are my paints, and I got really, you know, oops paints, $9. You know, you can't beat it. That is such a good price. So flat interior, this one's flat interior. I was hoping to have satin, but at this price, I can't complain. This is satin, and I'm not too sure where I'll put this one, because I'm going to paint the cabinet doors in the living room with this color, but I may not be using the cabinet doors. I may just leave them off and display my statues and my trophies and stuff from the past years of dog shows. And of course, I think that'll be really pretty. I wish you could see it. It's really a nice color, but it's not showing up. It's only showing up as white, but it's kind of like a pale beige. So, and yeah, then these for the cabinets themselves, which I will have lightened up as well. I didn't know that you could take these back to the store and have them lighten them up, so that's awesome. Okay, y'all. This is exciting. I got another package. I'm going to have a whole video of things. Oh, but those are fun videos. And if it wasn't, I'm so freaking grateful for this job. If I hadn't taken this job, none of this would be happening. I wouldn't have been gifted the RV, and I wouldn't have had the money to buy these things as I go along. So I am so, so, so grateful. So anyhow, yep, let's open this package. And of course, as fate has it, I'm using the phone again. And if I don't find my selfie stick mount, then I'm going to have to buy another one. Okay, let me open it and then I'll show it to you. They wrapped it well, several sheets of plastic and then a couple of sheets of bubble wrap. Look how beautiful this is. It's a marbled finish with silver inlays. That is more what I was looking for. But they didn't have it at the stores, so I settled for what they had at the stores. I like this much, much better. So I'll return those others. I think this will fit my theme so much better. This is beautiful. It is really beautiful. Oh. So anyhow, yeah. Another addition to the Twinkie. And this is from Lowe's.com. If you order it, you get it like a 6-pack of them, which covers like 6 feet. 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which covers approximately 6 feet of wall space. When you pick up these packages, and it was $67.50 for the order. So yes, I'm definitely taking the others back, getting my money back, and then I can flip that money into some other materials for the RV. You know, some wood or something to fix that floor. But this is awesome. This is great. I think that is really pretty, and I think that's going to be beautiful in the kitchen. It's going to brighten it up. That RV is so dark. Oh, I wish I was there. I wish I was finished. I still have a lot to go. But when I'm finished, it is going to be awesome. So, okay, well, thanks for watching, and I will catch y'all later. Live the life you love. Bye-bye.